All right, so talking about Facebook groups, we're gonna really focus on 4 specific things, all right? The very first thing is finding your group. Now, we've spent about 20 minutes or so talking about your pillars, talking about specific things that you're connecting with. These same things you can utilize on Facebook. I have a teenager and a tweenager. Yes, I will accept all prayers. But I can connect with other moms who have these age daughters, right? So find something that you can connect with on Facebook, but don't be in a ton of groups. You really want to choose 1 or 2 and find specifically those groups.
So if you're still not sure where to start, right? You don't know what your pillars are. You just learned about those today. Facebook is built and designed for us to connect to people. So there's a group tab on your Facebook. If you go to that, you can search specific groups, and it can be as simple as people in my hometown, women who are age 35, baseball moms, whatever it is. You don't have to know exactly who you are to find that particular group. Just join a group, and then you start there.
Yes. So does anybody have a specific group that they're already utilizing? Like one group that you love and a few people? So this is a strategy, you guys, that will absolutely work for you if you're building a business within a small community. If those of you that were here for Brock's training this morning, he talked about really narrowing down, your specific market. This is a great way to utilize it on Facebook. But what to expect? So we don't want to go into a group and start cold messaging and spamming a bunch of people about thrive, right? You're going into a group to build relationships, create community, add value, and serve. So go in there, your expectations should be that. It should not go in there and get yourself kicked out of a group, right? So set yourself up for success by, that's why you're finding the right group, because you're going to be able to add value and serve.